my name is Tara. I'm a mom of 2 boys, a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old, and I make Montessori and motherhood videos here on my channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning about Montessori dry transfer activities. Transferring is a staple activity in Montessori toddler and primary classrooms. Transferring helps children develop their fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, focus, and concentration. So today I'm going to start off with just a very simple transferring activity that I would introduce to a young toddler, maybe around the 18-month mark. This work is a simple transferring using the hands. So here we're going to teach how to grip. Depending on your child or the age of the toddler, you can work on a full finger grip or a pincer grip. For this example, I'm going to show you using a pincer grip. Here I have a tray. In Montessori, you'll see a lot of activities displayed on trays because in a Montessori classroom, this would be on a shelf and the work would be on the tray. The tray has 2 handles, so it's very easy for young toddlers or children of any age really to be able to lift up the tray and pick it up and bring it over to their work area. For today, my work area is a low table. This is something that you would often see in a Montessori classroom. So we've got our tray, and I also have 2 bowls. These are just 2 wooden bowls, and inside one of the bowls I have 3 large pom-poms. I always set the pom-poms up on the left to be moved to the right. So this is actually set up that way for pre-reading and writing skills. When I'm presenting this activity to a child, I'm going to follow the acronym SHOW, which stands for Slow Hands Omit Words. When we're giving a presentation, we really want to work on showing what we're doing and moving through the steps very slowly so they can follow along and having the least amount of verbal interaction that we can. So it's going to look something like this. And then I'm going to show them how I put it back into the other bowl the same way. And there you go, you've just given your first lesson. The next type of transferring activity I'm going to do is transferring with a spoon. In this case, I'm going to use this ladle as the spoon because it is just the perfect size to scoop up these pom-pom balls. And again, we're going to follow that same pattern of moving from left to right and following again the SHOW acronym, Slow Hands Omit Words. Once my toddler has gotten pretty good at understanding how to use a larger spoon, I might move on to a little bit smaller spoon and show them how to scoop something smaller. So I love to use beans for this. For today's example, I have black beans. I have 2 bowls, one filled with just a little bit of black beans to start, and then a small spoon. As you can see, I spilled a few beans outside of the bowl, and I did that on purpose because this allows me to show how to clean up if there is a spill. Another transfer activity I really love is using a scoop and rice. One thing I love about transferring work is that there are so many different household items that you can use for transferring. So like pasta, rice, beans, acorns, leaves, even Legos. Going back to the ladle, now I'm going to use this, instead of using it as a spoon, I'm going to use it as a ladle to sift beans out of salt. Transferring work is all about scaffolding skills. So starting with a simple concept or object and through repetition, working on that skill until it's mastered, and then adding on additional components or increasing the difficulty. Another great transfer activity that you can introduce to toddlers is transferring with tongs. So you can see I have these tongs, and then in this bowl I have some felt stars. Transferring with tongs can be a difficult concept for toddlers to learn, but it is so important in helping to build those muscles. You may see some of the children starting off using the tongs like this. That is okay. That is perfectly fine for them to do. It's important to remember not to interject yourself when a child is concentrating and working, even if they aren't using the materials in the way that you would think that they should use them. Unless they are harming themselves, I would let them continue to explore. Through repetition, they will eventually use the tongs the correct way, but we want to give them that time and space to explore. So far, the transferring activities I've shown you have been a one-to-one transferring, so it's just been going from one bowl to another bowl. But now I want to show you how we can add on and scaffold onto these skills and add another layer of difficulty. So I have 3 different colors of leaves here: yellow, orange, and red. And I have my tweezers, but this time I have 3 different bowls. So I'm going to put the yellow leaves in one bowl, the red leaves in another bowl, and the orange leaves in another bowl. So now not only are we still practicing the same skills that we were practicing before, but we're scaffolding onto those skills and adding another layer of difficulty by adding sorting colors. The final dry transfer activity I want to show you is transferring into multiple targets. So similar to the sorting, except we're not going to be sorting out here. For this one, I actually have little spiders because it is almost Halloween, and then those are going to transfer into this ice cube tray. I did want to let you guys know that all the materials that you see me using today are from a set that is from Montessori, which is an online Montessori shop, and they have a wet and dry pouring and transferring set, which really has all of the items that you will need to do wet or dry transferring and pouring activities. So if you're interested in purchasing this set, make sure you check out the link. I will put it in my description box, and I will also have a discount code for you guys so you can save a little bit of money if you are looking to purchase this pouring and transferring set. That's all I have for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I post new videos just like this every week. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye!